Ever felt like your financial journey needs a new direction? Maybe the initial excitement of automated investing has plateaued, or perhaps your investment strategy has evolved beyond what your current platform offers. If you're nodding along, you're likely one of the many investors who, at some point, consider moving their assets to a different brokerage. And if that different brokerage is calling your name louder than ever, and your current home is M1 Finance, then you're in the right place. We're not going to start with a bland, "Hey guys, today we're talking about transferring out of M1 Finance." Instead, let's dive into the why behind this crucial decision. Think about it. You entrusted your hard-earned money to a platform, hoping it would be the perfect vehicle for your financial aspirations. But life happens, investment goals shift, and sometimes, the features that once attracted you might no longer align with your needs. Perhaps you've discovered a brokerage with more granular control over your trades, a wider range of investment options like individual stocks or options trading, or maybe even a platform with more robust research tools and educational resources. Maybe their customer support aligns better with your preferences, or their fee structure is more advantageous for your current portfolio size and trading activity. These are all valid reasons to consider a change. The beauty of the modern financial landscape is that you're not locked into any one platform. Just like you can switch banks or phone providers, you have the power to choose the brokerage that best suits your evolving financial needs. However, the process of transferring investments can sometimes feel daunting, filled with jargon and potential pitfalls. That's precisely why we're here, to demystify the process of transferring your investments out of M1 Finance and into a new brokerage account. Think of this video as your comprehensive guide, walking you through each step with clarity and confidence. We'll cover everything from preparing your new account to understanding potential fees and timelines, ensuring a smooth and seamless transition. So, if you're ready to explore the path to a new investment home, let's get started. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of the transfer process, it's crucial to lay some groundwork. The first and arguably most important step is opening an account with your new brokerage. This might seem obvious, but it's the foundation upon which the entire transfer will be built. Take your time to research and choose a brokerage that truly aligns with your current and future investment goals. Consider factors like investment options. Does the new brokerage offer the specific types of investments you're interested in, e.g., individual stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, options, futures, cryptocurrency? Fees and commissions. Understand the fee structure, including commission fees for trades, account maintenance fees, transfer fees, both incoming and outgoing, and any other potential charges. Trading platform and tools. Evaluate the user-friendliness of their website and mobile app, the availability of research tools, charting capabilities, and any other features that are important to your investment strategy. Customer support. Check their customer service options, phone, email, live chat, and read reviews to gauge their responsiveness and helpfulness. Account types. Ensure they offer the specific account type you need, e.g., individual brokerage account, joint account, IRA, Roth IRA, taxable account. Once you've thoroughly researched and selected your new brokerage, the next step is to open and fund your new account. Follow the application process carefully, providing all the necessary information accurately. While you don't necessarily need to fully fund the account before initiating the transfer, having some funds available can sometimes expedite the process or be a requirement of the receiving brokerage. Now that your new account is set up, it's time to gather your M1 Finance account information. You'll need details like your full name as it appears on the account, your account numbers, and potentially your tax identification number, social security number, or employer identification number. This information will be crucial when you initiate the transfer request with your new brokerage. You can typically find this information on your account statements or within the M1 Finance platform itself. With your new account ready and your M1 Finance details in hand, the next critical step is to understand the different transfer methods. The most common method for transferring brokerage accounts is called the Automated Customer Account Transfer Service, ACATS. ACATS is an electronic system that streamlines the transfer of assets between brokerage firms in the United States. It's generally the fastest and most efficient way to move your investments. However, it's essential to confirm with your new brokerage if they support ACATS transfers from M1 Finance. Most major brokerages do, but it's always best to double-check. In some less common scenarios, or if certain types of assets are involved, you might need to consider a manual transfer or even liquidating your holdings in M1 Finance and then repurchasing them in your new account. However, liquidating your assets can have tax implications, capital gains or losses, and can leave you out of the market for a period, so it's generally advisable to avoid this if possible. We will primarily focus on the ACATS transfer method as it's the most common and efficient. Once you've confirmed that ACATS is the way to go, the next step is to initiate the transfer request with your new brokerage. This is a crucial point. You typically initiate the transfer from the brokerage you are moving to, not the one you are leaving. Your new brokerage will likely have a dedicated section on their website or within their platform for initiating account transfers. Look for options like transfer account, ACATS transfer, or similar wording. You will then be prompted to provide information about your M1 Finance account, including the name of the brokerage you are transferring from, in this case, M1 Finance. Your full name as it appears on your M1 Finance account. Your M1 Finance account numbers. The type of account you are transferring, e.g., individual, IRA. You might also be asked to upload a recent statement from your M1 Finance account to verify your account details. Follow the instructions provided by your new brokerage carefully and double-check all the information you enter to avoid delays or complications. During the transfer request, you will likely have the option to choose between a full account transfer or a partial account transfer. Full account transfer. This will move all eligible assets from your M1 Finance account to your new brokerage. This is the most common approach when you are looking to completely move away from M1 Finance. Partial account transfer. This allows you to select specific assets to transfer while leaving others behind in your M1 Finance account. This might be useful if you only want to move certain holdings or if M1 Finance offers unique features for specific assets you want to retain. However, keep in mind that partial transfers can sometimes be more complex and might incur additional fees. Carefully consider which type of transfer best suits your needs. If your goal is to consolidate all your investments in one place, a full account transfer is usually the simplest option. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.